about 2 hours, I think.
I don't know what to do.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, so we are at the right place. In this gigantic farm out here.
I'm just
Look,
gonna message.
there's like a bee thing.
Like, it says it's a
Beehive.
5-minute walk.
Got a full dog.
Yes,
Yes.
I'm very excited.
What's the dog's name gonna be? It's gonna be named
Navy.
Samuel.
That's a lie. It's gonna be called Navy.
Look what she got me.
I got him.
We have cows out here. How is it driving around here?
I don't want to kill any baby cows, you know. He's a little bit scared. I don't think he's ever been in a car ride before. Oh, actually, no. Navy. So Leon is driving my car.
There's a van in front of us.
Yeah, there's a caravan, you can see it.
Extremely slow.
And it's slowing us down so much. We could have been back towards Brisbane by now. Oh, it's turning left, baby. Maybe it will get out of our way.
Maybe it's just giving way to everyone.
Oh, that's nice. So Navy is sleeping. He is so cute. He is so cute and calm. He's going to be such a good doggy. In like the between, holy shit, there's a fire. Between like Kilcoy and like Woodford, I think, right? Navy is sleeping. And Leon is getting sick of driving. So we're only doing 80 an hour along this road and he wants to do 100. Oh, you're doing 100? Cool. We are between Kilcoy and Woodford right now. I don't know what the place is called. But Navy is asleep. I've just been rubbing his ears to make him go to sleep. He's happy. And it's still kind of pretty. It's not as pretty as the way we came.
So we got the dog at the house now. We have the other dog. Say hello to the camera, Phoenix. So he's doing quite good. Phoenix is excited, I think.
Phoenix is very excited.
So we got the dog inside the house now. He's wandering around.
Oh, Phoenix is a good brother. Stop.